Hello and welcome back to BrainCharger. I am Jayashree and I am here to help you boost your Upwork success. Are you tired of constantly applying to Upwork projects and never hearing back from clients? It is a frustrating experience that many freelancers face. You spend hours crafting the perfect proposal only to have it disappear into the void of the internet. But what if there was a solution? What if you could increase your chances of getting hired by up to 95%? But how? Here is the solution, ChatGPT. And I am excited to share with you today some tips and tricks that I have learned from my 2 years of experience on the Upwork. So make sure stick around until the end and like and subscribe to BrainCharger for more interesting videos. Whether you are new to Upwork or looking to take your freelancing career to the next level, you have come to the right place. Well, today we are going to show you how ChatGPT can help you write a winning proposal that will get you noticed by client. Let's get started. The most important thing in getting an Upwork project is a great proposal. As a freelancer on Upwork, your proposal is often the first impression you make on a potential client. It's your chance to showcase your skill, experience, and expertise and convince the client that you are the best person for the job. With so much competition out there, a well crafted proposal can make all the difference in whether or not you get hired. But not everyone is skilled in writing one. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With ChatGPT, you can easily write a great proposal that will help you stand out from the competition and increase your chances of getting hired.
Let's walk through how to use ChatGPT to write a great proposal. First, select a project that you are interested in. So for that, let's scroll down. And I think this is good. Let's check it. LinkedIn Sourcer Recruiter. We are looking for an experienced freelance recruiter to join our team and help us in sourcing and recruiting development engineer in Europe. Let's click on Apply Now. So here we are on Submit a Proposal page. Let's scroll down. And this is a job requirement. And this is my hourly rate, $15 per hour. And for this cover letter, we are taking the help of ChatGPT. But before that, I would like to copy the job requirement first. So let's copy. And we are on page of ChatGPT. And here, just paste. And press Shift, Enter. And then write like I want to write cover letter of Upwork project. And now I add some my personal information. So let's press enter. Here's where the magic happens. ChatGPT will generate a cover letter for you based on the information you provided and the client's requirement. You can copy this cover letter into the proposal and submit it to the clients. So for that, let's copy and in this cover letter, paste. So this cover letter is complete. And now click on this Send for Connect. With ChatGPT's help, you will have a professional looking proposal that's sure to catch the client's attention. In conclusion, a great proposal is crucial to getting hired on Upwork, and ChatGPT can help you write one. By using ChatGPT, you can increase your chances of getting hired by up to 95%. So why wait? Give ChatGPT a try and start getting hired today. If you have any confusion, then let me know in comment below. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe BrainCharger for more informative videos. Thank you.